Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to this channel and the video. We're talking about myEcon and specifically how to upgrade your membership. Now, there's a really important reason as to why I'm making this video for you. One of the most common questions I get when people are joining myEcon or thinking about joining myEcon is, can I come in at the lower level and still make the higher ticket commissions when someone joins at the $100 level? And the easy answer to that is yes. But the more important answer I'm going to share with you at the end of this video, which is very important. So please stick around till the very end so you understand this. Now, how do you upgrade your membership once you get started? So if you join at the $40 level or the $20 level and you want to upgrade to the EBM membership, you can see it here. That allows you to get not only the ID Defender, but you also get access to the travel membership. Those are the two things that you will not get at the two lower levels when you join at 20 or you join at 40. So if you want access to, again, travel and ID Defender, also known as Defender Plus, you need to be at the higher level. But again, there's a much more important reason here. It's not about access to the products, okay? Upgrading your membership, I can promise you, is not about accessing the products. It's much more important. And I'm going to share that with you here in just a minute. Now, how do you do this? How do you upgrade your membership? It's pretty simple. When you're in your main membership area here, you go to My Products and you can scroll all the way down right here and you'll see where it says Upgrade, Downgrade. Okay. So you can click on that. And of course, there's a little salesy video you could watch, but you don't need to watch that. It's really simple. You just select which specific membership that you want. And if you want to upgrade, you can go, if you're currently at the FSM level, you simply select the next level up and then you proceed and you finish off. It's really, really simple if you want to do that. So in other words, if I wanted to downgrade, I would simply click that and then follow the prompts and then complete the process. But that specifically is how you upgrade or downgrade your membership. Now, why you would want to downgrade, not really sure. There's only a $20 difference between the two memberships, which is not a lot of money. So I would do the EBM or the higher level membership if you can. Okay. Now, that's how you do it technically once you're in your members area. Now, why is it important to be at the higher level? Why is it important? And why specifically what I mentioned, the more important fact of it's not about the travel membership and it's not about the ID Defender. If you want $100 sales, be a $100 person. Don't have a lottery ticket or scratch ticket mentality. Try to do the bare minimum amount of work and expect maximum return. It is literally lottery ticket mentality. It's the same mentality that someone would have walking into a package store, buying a $1 scratch ticket and hoping to win $1 million. You could buy a $20 scratch ticket, a $50 scratch ticket, and you could greatly increase your odds. But most people won't do that because they want the minimum amount of effort and the maximum amount of results. So my advice to you for many, many years of doing this, not only with myEcon, but in this industry, is if you want $100 sales, be a $100 person. Therefore, you will attract, you will take the right actions, you will have the right posture in this industry, and you will attract the right people. You will attract $100 people because you are a $100 person. So I hope that makes sense. And that, my friends, is how you upgrade your myEcon membership. And more importantly, why you would want to upgrade your myEcon membership. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.